Kia ora and welcome to Te Whaihanga, a series that aims to help you, as built environment professionals, build and sustain positive working relationships with mana whenua. Mana whenua is a term to describe iwi and hapu with ongoing affiliations to the land. So why is there a need for this resource? Like all cultures, Māori have a set of cultural norms that govern their behaviours, their customs and their protocols. Understanding these can help you build and sustain positive working relationships with mana whenua and bridge any cultural gaps. This is just the beginning. With experience, you'll learn more. For Māori, there are deep-rooted connections to the land. Ko au te whenua, ko te whenua ko au. I am the land and the land is me. Now let's explore the terms rangatiratanga and kaitiakitanga. Rangatiratanga is the customary authority that mana whenua have over their territories. And kaitiakitanga is their inherited responsibility to look after their environments. New Zealand law recognises the rights of mana whenua to participate in resource management decisions and development activities within their rohe. This makes mana whenua an integral part of planning and development processes. This is where you, as built environment professionals, come in. This series aims to help you, as built environment professionals, understand Māori worldviews. Mana whenua are iwi and hapu with ongoing tribal affiliations to the land. Kaitiakitanga and rangatiratanga are key concepts to learn when working with mana whenua. So let's look at a typical project. We'll call this Whenua Wai. Whenua Wai is an iwi housing development project located on 15 hectares of treaty settlement land, some sites of cultural significance, and a stream running through the middle of the site. Some significant earthworks are planned, so meetings are taking place between the newly appointed development team and mana whenua reps. In the next video, we'll meet the development team as they prepare for their first up meeting with mana whenua reps.